Chapter 17, Acids and Bases. The quote here says, "The differences between the various acid-base concepts are not concerned with which is right, but which is most convenient to use in a particular situation." James Huey. Apparently, he's still alive. It's kind of nice. So we're going to be talking about 3 different definitions of acids and bases. Pardon me? I'm not commenting on anyone's life expectancy today. We're gonna talk about 3 different definitions of acids and bases. And it's like, why do we have to have 3 different definitions? Well, they work well in different situations. It's a little bit like units, right? In the English system, why do we have to have inches and miles? Well, because inches is more convenient for something that's smaller, right? So that's the way it is with the acid-base definitions. So heartburn. Anybody ever had heartburn? Nasty. Heartburn, or acid reflux, it feels like your heart is burning. So that happens when hydrochloric acid from your stomach backs up into your esophagus, which is not designed to be in contact with HCl. So it causes a burning situation. And sometimes it'll even come all the way up into the back of your throat, which also hurts and tastes sour. So your saliva contains hydrogen carbonate ion, which acts as a base. And so the saliva in your mouth helps to neutralize some of that acid. Repeated swallowing can help neutralize some of the acid. But generally people will turn to antacids because they have more base in them. They can neutralize more acid. Personally, in my experience, those didn't help much either.
You tried milk?
I tried everything. The secret to getting rid of it was delivering the baby. So, gastroesophageal reflux disease is associated with chronic heartburn. And they can diagnose it by putting a pH meter down your esophagus. Lovely, right? It's smaller than the ones we use in lab, though, so that's good. So I think we often think of acids and bases as being dangerous, and they can be, but they're also very important to our health, and they're found in many household products as well as foods and medicines. And so acid-base chemistry plays a big part in molecular biology and in biochemistry. We think about amino acids, building blocks of proteins. Guess what? They're acids, amino acids. DNA is composed of a series of bases. So lots of acid-base chemistry occurs in living organisms.